Hello and welcome back to the channel again, guys. In this video we're working on this Hyundai i30. It's the 1 litre petrol engine. Now if you've got this fault code P010800 and P011300, it's come back as manifold, absolute pressure sensor and intake air temperature sensor. If you're getting these two and the car is probably losing power, it's in limp mode, I'm going to guide you. This is just a guidance, nothing else. I'm not here to kind of change parts, but I am going to guide you to where this sensor will be and what you can do. So the sensor here, so that fault code is related to this sensor here. This is the part number. If we can, I'm not going to be fair, it's quite a bit of a dirty one. If you can stop the video and look at it from your end, happy days, but that's what it is. Long story short, it's this sensor that causes it. Hopefully it'll be this. If not, it'll be other internal component that's causing this issue, but most likely it's to do with this sensor. What I would recommend is really easy. It's these two little bolts and this is it, and it pops out. Before you start buying an OEM original sensor, I would take it out, just give it a clean and see if that helps, and then reset the sensors. I'm using the Think Car diagnostic tool, which you can what you call reset the adaptions. And once you have, plug it back in and just go for a little drive and see if this helps. If it does, happy days, move on. If it doesn't, buy an OEM original sensor, plug it in, reset, just like this one, for example, and then hopefully that should cure the fault code, really. As you can see, no more fault code because it's all sweet. In your case, it may be permanent, it may be intermittent, but that's where the fault code is. And it's a DIY job, if you ask me, guys.